Good morning. Welcome to this BTC update. It's going to be a very quick one. If you watch my last video, I did say that we were distributing and we were going to more likely take out these lows. And that's what happened. There was a bit of a back test, which I did short again. But currently I am long. So yeah, we back tested over here and then we just dropped. Did I expect this? Yeah, actually I did. I actually expected more. So I actually expected the 60k lows to be taken out, but it didn't happen, which basically means that we probably will come and take those lows out. So I have built a long position. I'm not fully in my position at the moment, and I'm going to be adding into this area here, but it's only going to be a short long position, because I do expect that we probably will come back and fill some of these inefficiencies that we do have currently above here. Sorry, in this area here where I will look to short. So it's only a scalp play, to be honest. Currently we are rejecting the point of control over here. So if we do get a retracement back into the VWAP, there's a good possibility that we may be able to find some local support for some continuation. Our funding rate is low, so that's good, but we don't have that much really spot buying or aggressive longs coming in. Now, a lot of people did try to long yesterday, but they were just getting wrecked. And you don't want to be longing, catching, or like a catching knife. Looking at the actual monitor, I can see some liquidity hunting going on, some trap traders, and volume. The buy pressure is still low for me to go aggressively in. There was a warning coming up on here, which has now disappeared. So that has gone now. Sorry, I'm just looking at something on the other screen. Yeah, we still have more sell pressure, to be honest. So if you're going to take a long in this area here, make it a small position size. This is not financial advice. I'm not giving you guys any financial advice. You would actually want to position in and really be targeting 66k. If we break 66k to get back in this range here, which is this range here, yeah? If we can get back in this range here, if New York can push us back up into this range here, and we just bounce about in here for a few days, then there's a good possibility we may see 68k. However, if we come back here down and let's just get rid of this and just flip that on back on. If we do come back down and test the VWAP, and so that's your daily low. Let me just switch on the VWAP. So I don't really use TradingView that much, so just bear with me. Okay, we'll just go back to that one for now. So it's over here, about 63.3. Yeah, but this one shows a bit different. This is a 60, 63.5. So previous day low, 64. We want to hold this zone here. Like I said, I am currently long at the moment, but I am also aware that we can come back down and fill at least 50% of this wick. If we do lose this low, we'll come and take out the 60k low. Then I'm not interested in any long positions. I will have to take a loss here. But it's all about managing your risk. So I do have an invalidation, basically, like a stop loss on my trade. It was just 62,800. If we lose 62,800, I will lose money on this trade here. But please note that I'm in like 6 shorts, so I'm hedged. So the loss, this is only a partial position. It's a 30% position, because I will add here if we get there, or I will add here if we see buy pressure. Now, talking about buy pressure, it is increasing. It is increasing, and there is a liquidity hunt as well, active as well. So because a lot of people have been shorting. So we are seeing some buy pressure, and I'm not seeing, to be honest, the best delta volume. I'm not seeing the best volume coming in, but this could all change. We want to, this point of control, I want to stay above this. I want to stay above this zone here. Okay. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please remember to check out the links in the description below for the exchanges that are offering some fantastic deposit bonuses and rewards. I will be doing a deeper analysis on BTC later on this week. I'm just very busy with webinars. Currently, we have new students that have joined the webinar. So if you do want to learn how to trade, read order flow, get access to all my tools, and join the free new Discord, it's all free, and the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.